In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link and use your free Twitch Prime sub. So first of all, what we're going to do is you want to go into Twitch and you want to sign in with your account. Next, you want to go to this address here, so gaming.amazon.com, and sign in here. Now, what this is going to have, you're going to go here, you're going to go into top here, and you're going to sign into your account. Once you signed into your account, there's going to be an option here that says link my Twitch account. So you click that and it's going to bring you a pop-up which will help you sign into Twitch. And then from there, you're going to be able to go back here and it will tell you go to Twitch or whatever. From there, you can go into Twitch and you can go to whichever creator that you want to go to, whoever it is. Say this here, this. You can go down and then you'll be able to click subscribe here, and you'll be able to subscribe with Prime for free. It will come up here once you've connected your account, and that's how you do it. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.